All right, what's up? What's up? Welcome back for another recap video. Today we are going to review the markets. We have VSME and GROM today popping up. Very tough action today. Very tough action on GROM and VSME. So taking a small red day today, but that's all right. I ended the 16-day green streak today, but it's all good. Keeping the losses small today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and see what we got. So here is the stats. My previous red day was on the 12th of September, so almost a full month of green. But can't be too attached to that. Red days happen. And the key is keeping those days small and not fighting it when the market is just not there. And today the market is just not there. Waving the white flag today, and going to come back tomorrow and see what kind of action we got. So the best stocks that we had today was VSME. This one was a recent IPO. This one had a little bit of volatility because of the recent IPO status. Very low upside resistance and weak support, since there's very little price action history to this ticker. So that's why we got this pretty decent move from the open. However, it was so grindy on the front side move and did not have any continuation after the first front side move. And the first breakout, we broke out and dumped $1 a share before curling back up. Which then proceeded to move another $1 a share from there. But after that false breakout, this thing went full-on sell mode and went from $8.64 to the close, which is the lowest, was $2.12. So it sold off. It sold off a total of 75% in just a few hours. That is one of the craziest sell-offs I've ever seen. Really, it's just telling about what kind of market that we're in, and we're just really not in that market to really be slinging big size right now. It's really risk-off environments, and because of that, I'm just kind of grinding away on small numbers, small green, small red, small green, a little bit here, a little bit there, until we start seeing some better momentum. Then we can start to size up again. But yeah, I mean, the market is definitely out to take your money recently. GROM had one pop to the upside and then rolled over, and I was actually trying to catch the lows right off of VWAP and off of down here, but we just didn't have any buyers at that level willing to bid that up off that dip, and so I was taking small losses right there. Which put me red on the day. For GROM was the one that got me red. $50 red on GROM. Made a little bit back on VSME, finishing down $35. So really, seasoned traders are definitely recognizing that it's still a risk-off environment for the month of October. And the best idea right now is just going to be to look for that one or two setups at the open, or one or two best setups of the day. Be very picky with your entries. Be very picky with the setups that you trade. Only trade the best setups of each day. Trying to get green and then just getting out. Because if you're willing to trade all day in this type of market, there's a high chance that you're going to be giving back profit off the top, and that never feels good. So yeah, the strategy I have been implementing is trying to get green between 9:30 and 10, and then by 10 o'clock looking to wrap it up until we start seeing some better momentum. And that's what I did last month. That's what I did last month, and I had a pretty decent month. And that's my plan for this month, unless we start getting some serious runners again, with a news catalyst, a lot of volume, low float. And it holds support levels and it holds its consolidation and continues to run after its first leg. So I'm looking for something that has like a couple legs on it, and that's when you can start to see that momentum shift into a new cycle. But right now, the market is just junk right now. Even the overall market has been selling off a lot here. A lot of people are calling for a bounce in this area and then a curl up to all-time highs in the market. So there's definitely two camps right now as far as what's going to happen in this area on the SPY. Some people thinking we're going to bounce. Some people think we're going to continue to sell off. And this is going to be the beginning of a crash in the market. So we'll see what happens over the next few months until the end of the year. But for right now, my strategy has just been just taking it real easy, small size until I can really start to feel my mojo coming back, and I start to hit some winners, like 10-cent winners, 15-cent winners. Then I can start to take bigger size when the conviction is there. But right now, my conviction is so weak, and definitely not the right time to be trying to push your size to new all-time highs. So you can take a look here on my statistics on the day. So small red, had some winners, had some losers, 50-50%, 50-50 accuracy. And my winners were much bigger than my losers today, which usually doesn't happen, but that's how it unfolded today. My largest loss was on bigger share size than my largest winner. Percent-wise, I had a larger winner. However, my size was just so small on that winner that loss did not the winner did not make up for that loss. But yeah, kind of just still doing the same old. Let's take a look here at my running P&L. So, very small days to start October. It's just been very slow, and I really, a lot of people are getting impatient. A lot of people are, itching to take a nice trade, a nice big size trade. And start to opening up that P&L, but if this day happens again tomorrow, and it's just like another crappy market, there's no way that I'm going to be taking that kind of size. But I'm wanting to. I want to. The desire is there to take that size, but just got to be patient, wait for that right market. Because if you're sizing in this market and you take a fat loss, which is likely, you could be in the trenches for a long time, because there's no other opportunity to make back that loss, and that's why it's difficult if you're going to be sizing up in a market like this. So it's best to kind of just stick to your habits that you've been building up until this point, and just try to grind and try to stay consistently green every day, trade the best setup of the day, and walk away and come back tomorrow. That's the best thing you could be doing right now in this market. So that's pretty much it for my recap. Not much. I'm not going to go through any live trading archives, just because I didn't really trade. Much. We had VSME. I did take a couple of dips off this low here, but I was very surprised how high this bounced, and then I kind of let it go without me there. Then I tried to scalp off the lows here, but kept tripping over myself here. I did catch a break of 8 on this wick, and I actually got 30 cents of profit on this wick up on VSME before the sell-off. And then GROM, I was trying to catch a dip. I was trading in this area, but it's very choppy, very hard to time in this area. And then I tried catching dips down here, and it just fell through, and I had to take a 10-cent loss or so on bigger share size. Well, relatively bigger share size, not even that much share size. A $34 loss, that is nothing. Like, I can totally make that back in just a small green trade. So, I'm not sweating here. Just, looking to look for the next best opportunity. Hopefully it's right around the corner, which then can kick off the rest of the year until 2024. So that's what we're looking for. So thanks for tuning in for the recap video. Hit that thumbs up button. Show your support for the channel. I would greatly appreciate that. Also, if you're new, consider subscribing. You guys can check out the links down in the description. You guys can join the Discord server. You can also check out Trade Journal, which is a free journaling software and also offers education for a very, very good price. So check that out. There's also other links down in the description to check out as well. So that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next recap. All right. Peace.